Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last week I had to go to a funeral because the mother of a very dear old friend of mine had died at the age of 89, so she had a good innings. I used to know her when I was growing up, and so, kind of knew her quite well back in the day. During the funeral, there were a few speeches, and in one speech, she was described, most fittingly, I felt, as being a real force of nature. If you describe someone as being a real force of nature, or just a force of nature, you basically mean that they have a very strong personality and that they have a lot of energy, boundless energy, a lot of determination and a lot of character. And as a result, they can sometimes be hard to resist or hard to argue against. It's sometimes used to talk about athletes at the top of their game. So maybe there's a footballer who's scored, say, 12 goals in the last 5 games, and you might hear them described as some kind of unstoppable force of nature. You often hear the phrase used with other bits of vocabulary. So maybe you hear something like, he's a very forceful character, he had a very strong personality, he was a real force of nature, you couldn't help falling under his spell, or you couldn't help but fall under his spell. And maybe you know someone who's gone on to achieve something remarkable. Maybe they're elected to Parliament, or they end up running a huge company or something. And you might comment on this by saying, I'm not surprised, to be honest. I mean, she's always been a real force of nature. So it's no wonder that she's now an MP. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use a force of nature.